Hello, welcome back. We'll be diving into how people are making thousands and even hundreds of thousands of dollars using an e-commerce site known as eBay. Method 10. Resell items on eBay. Firstly, what is eBay.com? eBay.com is one of the most popular websites to buy and sell goods on the internet. It's a place where individuals and businesses can buy or sell new or secondhand items, from books and clothes to cars. Really, almost anything. In this video, we'll be covering the following 4 topics. First, how eBay works. Second, the skill sets needed for success. Third, tips and strategies to help you get started. And fourth, how you get paid and how to grow. So let's get started. Here's how eBay works. 1. A seller lists an item on eBay. This can be almost anything from antiques to mobile phones, books to sporting goods. 2. The seller chooses whether to sell the item at a fixed price or accept only bids, also known as an auction-type listing. 3. In an auction-type listing, the bidding opens at a price the seller specifies and remains on eBay for a certain number of days. 4. Buyers then place bids on the item. When the listing ends, the buyer with the highest bid wins. 5. In a fixed price listing, the first buyer willing to pay the seller's price gets the item. eBay is great for people who are self-motivated and know how to find products that people want. Additionally, it is beneficial to know how to market, whether it's to friends, family members, acquaintances, or strangers using online or offline mediums. Skill set needed. Some experience of selling goods online or offline is beneficial, along with a business-savvy mind. However, selling on eBay isn't very complicated at all. Let's talk about the time required to get started with selling on eBay. To start selling, you first need to create an eBay account. After that, you need to list your product. You will need some product pictures and an appealing description in order to complete your listing. Even if you are a beginner, you can complete all the requirements for getting your listing up on eBay within a few minutes or hours. Here are some useful tips to help you get started properly. 1. If you are completely new to eBay and your account does not have any feedback, then getting some feedback before starting to sell anything is a good practice. People are very wary of buying anything online nowadays, so if your account has 0 feedback, then it's unlikely that anyone is going to buy from you. Feedback is essentially a scoring system on eBay. It's recommended that you should get a score of at least 10 to 15 feedback or reviews before selling anything. The simplest way to get feedback is to buy 10 to 15 99-cent items with free shipping. Many sellers leave positive feedback for you straight away when you complete an order. 2. Start small. Most of the eBay resellers buy a bulk wholesale stock of any particular product, then sell it on eBay at a retail price. If you don't have money to buy wholesale stock, then find some unwanted or unused items present in your house, which are in good condition, and make a list of them. You can even sell print-on-demand products using websites such as Printify, CustomCat, and Printful. 3. Research. Now that you have a list of few ready-to-sell items, you must find out what price you want to sell your products at. Take 10 minutes to Google your item and find its market value on eBay and other e-commerce sites. This will help you to sell the right items more competitively because you'll have the knowledge of your item's market and its pricing strategies. Also, dig out relevant targeted keywords, which will help people to find your items via search engines. 4. Craft the title. The title is the single most important factor for grabbing the attention of your potential buyer. Make sure your title is appealing, complete, and that you've included targeted keywords. You don't have to be a tech wizard for this. Just ask yourself, what would a potential buyer for this item type into the search box? 5. Write the item's description. Fill out all the fields in your listing and make sure your description text provides all the information that your potential buyer might look for. Most of the lazy sellers ignore this and thus fail at selling on eBay. 6. Upload item pictures. Upload only high-quality pictures. Ensure that item pictures are clear and cover the product from all angles. Aim to upload at least 6 pictures per listing. 7. Timing. Most of the expert sellers use 10-day listings starting on a Thursday. You should use it too. It will give you 2 full weekends of eyeballs. You'll usually receive the highest traffic on weekends. Finally, let's get to how much you can make and how you actually get paid by eBay. The more sales and positive feedback you get on eBay, the more sales and thus revenue you will make. There are many people who are making thousands of dollars in revenue on eBay each month. Your item quality and delivery influence your user feedback, which also directly affects your order placement. So make sure you are delivering items fast and that they are good quality and accurately described in your description. eBay handles all your transactions securely, so you don't need to worry about any payment processing issues. eBay then remits the payment to your bank account. Once you are in a profit-making stage, procure your best-selling products in bulk at a wholesale price and then resell them at a retail price with more margins to increase your profits. Rinse and repeat with more products. Thank you for watching this video on how to get started with eBay. Look for our other videos that show you more money-making opportunities.